Hey y'all, it's Jason. It's Thursday, so it's time to give something away. So today we've got the 25-piece industrial sewing machine foot set from CKP SMS, and I'm also going to throw in the little organizer box that I used for mine. And it's going to come in the brown box like this. So keep an eye out for it. It'll be coming UPS, and I will send you a link to it or a tracking number so that you can watch it coming to you. So I use this program called Comment Picker, and I've put in the location of the video. I've answered a couple of questions. It's looking for the phrase liked and subscribed, and it found 35 entries. So let's go to here, and all I have to do is push this start button. It's going to randomly go through those 35 names, and it's just going to pick one. So let's see who the lucky winner is. And it looks like Rhonda Wright 3747. Rhonda Wright 3747. If you can see this, I'm going to zoom in on it right there. Rhonda Wright 3747. Congratulations, Rhonda. I hope you enjoy them. I hope they help you make glorious projects in your sewing adventures. So get with me, and all I need is your address, and this will be coming in the mail very soon.